Hi everyone, today we're going to make rice idli, and to make this rice idli I took a cup of rice, whole grain rice, and I put them in my coffee grinder and made flour out of it. So I have 1 cup of rice flour. I've got half cup of urad dal. Again, I took the skinless urad dal, half cup, and I put them in my coffee grinder and ground it into a flour. Now it's slightly coarse, a bit like the suji, the rava. And then I also took a teaspoon of methi dana, and I put that in my coffee grinder and ground it to this kind of a paste. I ground everything to a flour. It's slightly on the coarse side, more like semolina or suji. You can see that. Since I'm not going to ferment it for too long, maybe 3 or 4 hours, I'm going to add some eno to it. So I'm going to start adding, first of all, half cup of water with a teaspoon of eno. And because there's all this effervescence, I'm going to add this all to my batter and mix it. Now we're going to make a thick batter. Like about a cup of water, less than a cup of water, slightly shy of less than a cup of water. For those of you who don't know what eno is, this is the eno I used, and this is fruit. It's called fruit salt, and it's readily available at the Indian shops. It's used as a raising agent. I'll let my idli batter ferment for as long as I can. I'll let you know how long I let mine sit. The more you let it sit, if you can let it sit overnight, the better. But I don't have the time, so I'm going to let it sit for a little while, and I'll let you know how long. And it's always a good idea to steam them right before serving. Batter, I had to add a 1/4 cup of water to it because it became very dry. And this is a consistency. This is slightly on the thicker side. I'm not going to use everything. I'll use some of it. So I'm going to transfer it in a bowl and then mix it with eno and salt. Yes, I've added some salt to taste. And now I'll add a teaspoon of eno. Now I've added, the measurement here is about almost 2/3 of a cup. So I've added 2/3 a cup of idli batter in here. I've added my salt, and now I'll add a teaspoon of eno, and it will make bubbles and it will become effervescent. And this is the exciting part, seeing the bubbles form. And this makes the idli fluff. And so if you beat the batter nicely, and then you add it to your idli mold. Idli molds, they have been greased, and I am intentionally placing them in a pattern. So if it has a hole here, it has to face away so that the steam can distribute itself evenly. What my idli mold looks like, I added about 1.5 teaspoon of idli mixture to it because my idli mold is much smaller. Now this usually has a 4th layer out here. I'm not using it because in the past I feel that the idlis that are kept on top do get squished. So I'm going to cover make it ready for steaming. My idli mold is ready to go for steaming, and I will put it in the steam pan. Looks like it's a deep pan with the 2 lemons and some water. So this is what my stand looks like. It stands right above the water. And I added a cloth between the lid and the idli stand so that whatever steam comes up, it is absorbed by the towel or the cloth, and it doesn't drip back down. I think it spoils the shape of the idli. Now that's my own opinion. Now I'll steam this idli for about 15 minutes and then show you what it looks like. Remove the lid. This is what these fluffy idlis look like, and I'm going to remove them. Serve your idli with sambar and coconut chutney. The coconut chutney recipe is on my website, on my channel, and so is the idli recipe, and so is the sambar. Enjoy. And this is a great meal on a cold rainy day like today. See you later. Bye.